Welcome back. The last day we learned about Django templates, and today we are going to learn about Django static, how static files works in Django. So at first we need to create a folder here named static. Okay, and now here we're going to store our static files. At first we are going to download a beautiful template file, bootstrap made from bootstrap made. Here we can find lots of templates here for practice purpose. We can use them. Okay, the download is finished. We have to extract this zip file. Okay, we need the HTML files together to be stored in our templates folder. To delete this one and paste them here, and we don't need them, these things, and all these static files. Okay, I think I should take the assets folder. Okay, in my project in static I have to paste them here, and now we can delete this and this. Now we have to introduce our static file or static folder here. Okay, in settings.py we have to write down static files directories equal bracket base directory static. Okay, and now let me show you the source from where you can get the same code. Static in Django. Okay, and here, and we need this one. Okay, copy this and this way, paste this here. We don't need this. This is also correct. We can, like, I would prefer to like it's my choice. Okay, it's your choice how you're going to write this. Okay, so I would like to write this in this way. Now we have to change our location that's given here. We have to change it in the link tag. As we can see, there is no assets file in here. Okay, so we have to change the location, like slash means base directory, static slash assets. Like it's currently in the base directory in static folder. We have to replace them all by clicking here, and I have opened this interface pressing Ctrl+F. Okay, we have to do the same thing in the all HTML files. Replace all. Okay, we're all done. I need to run the server. Python manage.py run server. I think it should work now. Okay, so you see how it's working. It was not a professional way to use static files in Django. This was the very basic way for the beginners. We will learn the professional way later. That's it for today. If you are confused in any part of this video, just go to ChatGPT and ask it. It will give you a very detailed explanation. And if you want to join our Discord community server, the link is given below in the description. Until next time, happy coding.